A Kent County Commissioner is under investigation tonight after 13 on Your Side alerted the county administrator when we received a tip that Tom Antor does not live in the community he serves.
Antor represents the 2nd District in Kent County, including Sparta and Alpine Township. 13 on Your Side's Charlie Tinker has been working on this story all day and is here with what he has found out.
It was us that got a tip from a viewer that ultimately prompted County Administrator Al Vandenberg's office to escalate this, contact the sheriff's office to, quote, ensure an impartial investigation. The county administrator said his office had conducted what it called due diligence earlier this year after Kent County Legal Counsel reviewed a judgment of divorce filed last year and found Tom Antor had not changed his listed address. Antor then reportedly assured the county he was then still living in Sparta and that without evidence indicating otherwise, the findings were, quote, sufficient to satisfy us of his residency.
And it's going to take some fact-finding.
Gerald Fisher is a lawyer and consultant who specializes in local government.
If they had moved out but hadn't established a new residence, at what point is it necessary to proclaim that they're no longer a resident? That creates a little bit of an ambiguity.
According to Michigan statute, A, commissioners are elected by district. B, a candidate for the office of county commissioner must be a resident. And C, a candidate must remain a resident under the definition provided by the state constitution.
If you then determine that, well, you know what, they don't intend to reside in the county, they're actually residing elsewhere. In some instances, all of those things need to be determined by some formal action and possibly by county commissioners.
A spokesman for the Kent County Sheriff's Office told us they would start up a fact-finding investigation. Now we can reasonably assume that would concern facts surrounding Antor's residency and whether there may be a violation. If proven, the outcome, Fisher says, could depend on how long he has lived out of district, whether that's temporary, and whether there were any misrepresentations of any kind made during or prior to Antor's election, which could be criminal.
It's going to depend in great measure on the position taken by the office holder.
If we do receive a response or any new developments with regard to this investigation, we'll bring them to you both on air and online. Charlie Tinker, 13 on Your Side.